What is your A1C? Technically, it's a measure of your average blood glucose for the past 90 days. But for the nearly 1/3 of Americans living with diabetes or prediabetes, it's an emotion. It's the number they get when they find out for the first time that they're a diabetic. It's the feeling of excitement when they find out that their diabetes has been put into remission after months of eating healthy. But until now, testing your A1C typically involved doctor's visits, expensive blood draws, and waiting for your results. But today, BioCoach is introducing the A1C Now at-home testing kit. Utilizing the latest in vitro diagnostic testing technology, you can get an accurate A1C test result in minutes from the comfort of your own home. With a small prick of blood, the A1C Now will give you a reading that's 99% correlated with lab results, so you can have confidence in your results. And with that confidence, you can join BioCoach in our mission to make healthy living simple by taking control of your glucose. To get your private at-home test kit delivered directly to your door, visit us today at www.biocoach.io.